70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, of which 97% is salt water. Only 3% is fresh water, and less than 1% is readily accessible. The remaining 2% is frozen in glaciers or polar ice caps, or exists as soil moisture. The United Nations estimates that by the year 2020, the world's population will increase to 7.5 billion. Due to increase in population, some developing countries are now facing water stress, which applies to situations where there is not enough water for all uses, whether agricultural, industrial or domestic. Competition for water in an overpopulated world would pose a major threat to human stability. Severe drought affects 1 in 6 countries around the world, and worldwide water demand exceeds supply. But new technological innovations are being developed to address the water crisis. Desalination is a process that creates fresh water from saltwater sources. And according to the International Desalination Association, desalination is used in over 100 countries worldwide. East Asia's industry growth is spurred by the expansion of the semiconductor industry, the need to desalinate water, growing power plant ultra-pure water requirements, and the incorporation of cross-flow filtration in upscale commercial and residential buildings. In the Middle East, where the area is severely drought-stricken, there is a growing demand for seawater desalination. Meanwhile, European and NAFTA countries are emerging as leading purchasers of cross-flow membranes for pharmaceutical and biotechnology applications. According to a report from Lux Research, the total membrane technology market will grow from $1.5 billion in 2009 to $2.8 billion in 2020.
ROPV's research and development started as a government-backed agency in the early 1960s with the Harbin FRP Institute. Essentially, it was established to support China's aerospace industry by developing the advanced composite material for its missile program. The Harbin FRP Institute developed composite materials that were used in the very first missile that China launched in the 1960s. Today, ROPV is not only the biggest, but also the oldest pressure vessel manufacturer in the Asia-Pacific region.
Founded in 1960, Harbin FRP Institute is China's first professional organization in the research and application of resin-based composite materials. Harbin FRP Institute has been part of China's aerospace history, developing advanced composite material support structure and igniter for China's first FRP missile. ROPV is a private company born out of the Institute's research and development efforts, with its headquarters located in Harbin and manufacturing plant located in Dozhou. ROPV's facilities are strategically located near Beijing, Tianjin and Shanghai, centers of commerce in China. Yuqing Li, the CEO, leads ROPV's engineering team. He is also president of Harbin FRP Institute and the China Desalination Association. Located in Dozhou, Shandong Province, the state-of-the-art ROPV manufacturing plant has the capacity to meet today's global demand.
Over the past 10 years, the ROPV engineering group has incorporated over 100 design changes to individual component parts, with 4 major changes to the overall design of its pressure vessels. Since its humble beginnings, ROPV has grown in leaps and bounds in FRP, pressure vessel design and production. ROPV is on a continuous trajectory of improving process development, presently with over 19 patents. Owing to challenges associated with the absence of technology at a given stage in the development process, ROPV has had to invent and develop equipment to meet the process demand. At ROPV, we continuously strive for process and product improvement.
ROPV pressure vessels are hydro-tested prior to shipment to ensure only the highest quality and stable performance. ROPV products conform to international standards and are certified by several certifying bodies, such as ASME RP, ACS, WRAS, CE Mark, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and NSF 61.
ROPV's products conform to international standards and are certified by several certifying bodies such as CE Mark, ACS, CRN, ASME, and NSF 61. Should our clients require an ASME stamped vessel, that is a service that we are able to provide. The only Chinese pressure vessel company that is certified by the China National Credit Service for Conformity Assessment. This means that other pressure vessel manufacturers in China get their certifications from ROPV. This is all possible because ROPV employs only cutting-edge equipment for its manufacturing and quality assurance.
These pressure vessels are developed for permeate and feed concentrate with variable port options, connection types and sizes. They are fully customizable and are offered as OEM equipment for UF, EDI, large diameter membranes and emerging water treatment technology. ROPV has been part of the successes of many water treatment plants. With its highly competitive operational cost, bulk buying power and unmatched manufacturing experience, ROPV is the top choice for pressure vessel manufacturers in the region. With ROPV's highly competitive operational costs, bulk buying power, innovative design process and quality control, it is the pressure vessel manufacturer of choice in the region. ROPV has supplied the pressure vessel needs of the top membrane manufacturers and EPCs in the industry. In recent years, water plants with ROPV's pressure vessels received awards from Global Water Intelligence. Notable among these are the Sembcorp Changi New Water Plant in Singapore, recipient of the 2010 GWI Award for Water Reuse Project, the Bundamba Advanced Water Treatment Project in Australia, winner of the 2008 GWI Award for Global Water Project of the Year, the Gibson Island Advanced Water Treatment Plant, winner of the 2008 GWI Award for Water Reuse Project of the Year.
To date, ROPV has over 160,000 pressure vessel units installed worldwide, with a market share in China in excess of 50%. ROPV's design and manufacturing process continue to evolve, and with the addition of our US-based engineering group, we expect the collaborative effort between East and West to yield major improvements in pressure vessel design. We will continue to collaborate with industry leaders like GE, Norit, Hi-Flux, Siemens, Bywater, and Coke membrane systems. At ROPV, our goal is not only to improve pressure vessel design, but also to contribute towards a sustainable water future for the world.
ROPV's commitment to quality and innovation has led to the successful development of many water treatment projects, helping to ensure the sufficient supply of pure water to communities, as well as urban, industrial, and rural growth and the environment. ROPV, committed to quality and technology.